class as the basis of all computation. Concepts of data types in Java programming. A data type in a programming language is a set of data with values having predefined characteristics. Token is the smallest individual unit in a program. Java tokens are keywords, identifiers, literals, punctuators, operators. Keywords are reserved words in Java that are used for special purpose. Not all keywords are reserved words except true, false and null. Identifiers are the building block of Java program. It is otherwise called as variables. Literals. They are constants in Java program. The values are fixed and remain constant throughout the program. Types of literals. Integer literal, floating literal, Boolean literal, character literal, string literal, null literal. Integer literals. The number that are represented without decimal point. Whole numbers having positive or negative values. Example, 16,986,99,765. Real literals. Floating point constants. Numbers with decimal points. Example, 89.7. 0.0098. Minus 3.2267. 1.0 e minus 3. Boolean literals. They are special literals. They represent true or false and is applied in logical situation. There will be no quotes. Character literals. Constants which are alphanumeric in character. Alphabets, upper and lower. Digits. Special characters. Example, B, F, 4. Character represents a single digit enclosed within single quotes. String literals. Set of alphanumeric characters. Group of characters enclosed within double quotes. E.g., computer year 2020. Null literals. It is represented as /0. String terminator. Marks the end of the string. Punctuators. Punctuation signs used as special characters. Example. Semicolon, statement terminator. Dot, scope of a function. Any line continued after semicolon is treated as next line. Separators. Special characters in Java which are used to separate the variables or the characters, dash to enclose arithmetic or relational expression, dash to enclose subscript or cell number of a dimensional array, dash to enclose a group of statements. Escape sequence. Non-graphic characters. They cannot be typed directly from the keyboard. Begins with A, followed by one of two characters. \r horizontal tab. \v vertical tab. \b backspace. Operators. Symbols or tokens. Performs arithmetic or logical operations. 3 types. Arithmetic operator. Plus, dash. Relational operator, greater than equals, greater than equals, equals equals, greater than. Logical operator. And or not. Data types in Java. Data types are divided into primitive, non-primitive. Primitive are further classified into numeric and non-numeric. Numeric are integer and float. Non-numeric are string, character and Boolean. Non-primitive are further classified into classes arrays interface. Primitive data type. Independent on any other type. They are basic data types. e.g., byte, int, long, float, double. Non-primitive data type. Derived data types. Directly or indirectly dependent on primitive data type. They store data with reference to the address of locations. They are also called reference data. E.g., arrays, classes, interface, etc. Initializing a variable. Variables can be initialized as static and dynamic initialization. Static. Direct assignment of a variable with defined constant. Dynamic. Variables get initialized during runtime. Rules for naming a variable. Variable can have any number of characters. It may contain alphabets, digits and underscore. Underscore can be applied in between the characters to increase the length of variable name. Variable name should be meaningful. Arithmetic expressions. Pure expression. Expression containing same type of data items. Int A, B, C. Mixed expressions. Expression which includes different type of variables or values to yield a result. X equals A plus C12. Hierarchy of data types. It indicates the increasing order of data types. If two data of different types are operated, then result automatically gets converted to their higher type. Byte. Char. Short. Int. Long. Float. Double. Type conversion. Data can be converted into two ways. Implicit type conversion. Explicit type conversion. Implicit type conversion. Data type gets converted automatically into its higher type without intervention of the user is implicit type conversion. Explicit type conversion. When data type gets converted to another type after user intervention. Int A, B. Float X equals float, A plus B.